I'm creating a beautiful Christmas hairstyle that is simple, pretty, and perfect for the holiday season. You don't need to be a professional to try this look at home. First, brush the hair gently and remove all the tangles. Make sure the hair is smooth because this will make the hairstyle look neat and beautiful. Christmas is the perfect time to try something special with your hair. This hairstyle gives a cute, festive, and elegant look without being too difficult. Start by taking a small section of hair from the front. Keep the section clean and smooth so the hairstyle looks fresh and well finished. Now slowly twist this section of hair toward the back. Don't make the twist too tight because we want the hairstyle to look and soft natural. Take another small section from the other side and twist it in the same way. Try to keep both sides similar for a balanced look. Bring both twisted sections toward the back of the head. Hold them together gently and secure them with a small hair tie. Now we are going to make the hairstyle more beautiful by adding some soft curls. You can use a curling tool or make simple curls in your own way. Take small sections of hair and curl them gently. There is no need to make perfect curls because soft and natural curls look very pretty for Christmas. Continue curling the remaining hair until you get a soft and lovely look. Take your time and make sure the curls are comfortable and natural. Now look at the front of the hairstyle. If you want a softer look, gently pull out a few small pieces of hair around your faces. These small pieces make the hairstyle look more natural and cute. They also give the face a soft and beautiful frame. Christmas hairstyle look even better with a little decoration. You can add a red ribbon, a small bow, or soft beautiful Christmas hair accessories. I'm adding a cute Christmas ribbon because it gives the hairstyle a festive feeling. Red is a perfect color for Christmas and looks beautiful with any hair color. Carefully place the ribbon at the back of the hairstyle. Make sure it is secure but not too tight. Now gently check the whole hairstyle from both sides. Fix any loose hair and make small changes whenever you need. The best thing about this hairstyle is that it looks fancy but is actually very easy to create. You can make it for a sorry Christmas party, family dinner, or holiday photos. If you are getting ready for a Christmas celebration, this hairstyle can be a perfect choice to give you a clean hairstyle, and you can also change this hairstyle according to your own style. Add more curls, more ribbons, or small Christmas clips to make it more special. Remember, friends, do you not need expensive products to create a beautiful hairstyle? With a brush, a few hair ties, and cute accessories, you can create a lovely Christmas look. Now the hairstyle is almost finished. Gently use your fingers to make the curls look soft and natural instead of too perfect. If you want the hairstyle to stay in place for many hours, you can use a little hairspray. Use only a small amount so the hair still looks soft. I really love how simple and beautiful this hairstyle looks. It is perfect for girls who want a cute Christmas look without spending too much time. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. And here is the final look. The soft curls, simple twist, and Christmas ribbon make this hairstyle cute, elegant, and perfect for the holiday season. I hope you love this Christmas hairstyle and try it yourself. It is easy, beautiful, and perfect for celebrating Christmas in your own special style. Happy Christmas and enjoy your beautiful look. Thank you so much. Take care and goodbye. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.